All right, next spot, last spot. Okay, my spots I picked last night to fish were horrendous. And I gotta say, exact opposite today. There's only 2 spots. The middle spot, I had a 3rd spot, but I'm skipping that because I've been there before. Difficult in and out, and I already got the only reason for going there, warrior bass. This is a great looking place. Oh, big old hog sucker right there. I'm gonna try to catch him right now. And this place has got red spot and red striped darter, is it? Of course, knowing hog suckers, he'll be gone when I get back with a baited hook. There's a ton of fish here. Lots of fish. Lots of micros, I should say. Oh, he's just swimming right by it. Wow, there's like 5 of them. If I can hold it in place, he'll take it. Oh, there's something else that wants to take it. What was that? That was a shiner, yeah. And it's a Alabama. Oh, pretty one. But Alabama shiner. Want that little micro warrior right there. Oh, there's like 3 of them. They're so small, so choice looking. Oh, no, that one just looked at it. That's probably, oh no, that's the sinker. What? Come on. How do you not know the difference? Sinker bait, sinker bait. Oh, there's, oh, bonk. Oh, poor thing. Big Alabama. Yellowfins. Oh no, it's a blacktail. Oh, no, yeah, it's gotta be, but look at those fins. Oh, that's awesome looking. All right, oh, these things don't last very long. Let me figure it out. You know, this might be an Alabama blacktail mix. I've never seen a dorsal like that on a blacktail. That is clearly a blacktail tail spot. Nothing else has that. Those yellow fins, I've never seen. That wouldn't be Alabama. Never seen that kind of dorsal on a blacktail before. That's amazing looking. Oof. Oof. Look at that thing. Wow, that's beautiful. The thunderous claps of thunder. Oh, really? Oh, still get you since you're not going anywhere yet. Man, that's a freaking gorgeous fish. He's going to struggle because he's a blacktail. Oh, there's a bass right there. This is not one. Whoa, look at that beautiful thing though. Look at that beautiful red bellied. Whew, wow, look at that long-eared sunfish. What is that? What are those? Oh, that's that, whatever that is. A stone roller? No, it looks like an Alabama bass. It's one of the ones that I've been clocking. Yep. Another species on the day. It's an Alabama. Yep. There it is. That'll go in the tank. All right, there's Mr. Alabama. Common, but beautiful. Not too many that aren't, quite frankly. I mean, they're no smaller than... Oh, there's one. The big one came in. And it is, in fact, an Alabama. Pretty sure. Yeah. Put them in there. Those are all probably young of the year Alabama. All right. There's Alabama. And here's one of the little ones. I finally got. I'm not sure that he bit as much as I just reeled him in. Or I mean, he bit, but I don't know if he wasn't hooked. He just flopped on shore. I mean, is that a stone roller? I don't know. It's kind of like a, what you call it? Long nose shiner, except the mouth is different. Yeah, I'm guessing that's a stone roller. It's so fun about Tenagos. It makes me hate them so much when Oh, it fell right in there. All right, and it is and I don't know. It's like an Alabama, I guess. If it ever stops flopping, maybe I can see. No. Whatever. All right. It is an Alabama, nice green Alabama. That's really pretty. I'm gonna take a picture of it. A whole different run here, trying for a different species. Oh, what do I have? Another Alabama. Yeah. Green, yellowtail, red dorsaled Alabama. Not so much the colors as the just the pristine. Oh, there we go. Wow, not so small. Stone roller too. Okay. All the old hits. That was another SR. No picture. I mean, yeah, it could be a bullhead. Very small bullhead. I'm going with Mad Tom because I want to. I'm just gonna let him take it under there and eat it. Chew on it for a while. Doesn't seem to care. But he's been on the hook twice. Oh, he's got it. Oh, got him. What is he? Oh, what? A green sunfish? You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, little and black, and he's a green sunfish. Son of a biatch. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Whoa, that is a dark, dark one. A little, what do you call it? Longear. Probably not hiding under there like a greenie. Yeah, it's got him. That's probably another greenie. Let's see. We have another dark purple green sunfish. Yep. All right, I'm worried about electricity coming from the sky in the form of lightning. That's a power line. I certainly hope it's not connected to anything, since it's less than a foot off the water surface. Oh, got a fish on. All right, let's see what it is. It is a little Alabama bass, number 2. Oh, and there it goes. Something. Yeah. What is it though? Oh, beautiful Longear. Whew, yes. Wow. They paint them up in this part of Alabama, don't they? Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's why they call them a starburst right there. Whew. Man, those colors are just amazing. Good Lord. Oh, how far I'm gonna take a turn here. Swim up. Big Alabama hog suckers. It's a little Alabama bass. Here, Alabama hog suckers. I'll give you a chance to see a bait and run, as you always do. As you only do. Looks like the bass has it. Yeah. Oh, that might be a warrior, actually. I think so. It's just a little dark. That's Alabama number 3, is it? I think. Yep. When possible, I try to end on a fish, but I try never to end on a miss and lost bait, so give it another shot here. Just call it next fish and I'll head out. And hopefully I've got a little darter time to show you. We'll see. Oh, really? I don't have a lot of confidence though. Oh, something's on it. Sunny. Another sunny. Much less. Well, no, it's coming up. It's coming on. Nice. Give it another shot or two, just because of the bass over here. Probably gonna get it hooked up on the tire, but it's an interesting bite. Seems like it was biting, but wasn't taking it anywhere. Well, that's a nice size. I think this might be a bass. A bass? The bass? It is. It's him. See what it was all along. Was the Warrior or was it the Bama? It was probably a hybrid. Nope, I think probably just pure Alabama. Yep. See a darter right here. My bug is all dried out, so I'm hoping this guy will eat a worm. Oh my gosh, so striped up. Beautiful. Let's see. Got those dark stripes. I don't have my net in my hand, I just realized. Oh, that's such a beautiful darter. Not touching it. Well, I guess I'll look for some bugs. Alright, the only squishy bug I could find is a cricket. Oh, that thing looks so gorgeous. It doesn't even look real. It's like an exotic fish. Let's see if a cricket is the ticket. Can't find his face. Oh, he moved. He didn't move for the worm. Oh, no, he moved away. He's going away. Doggone it. That's a good looking darter. It's not a black banded. Let's try to lower it in front of him again. Alright, it was a good idea to come back here. There's a tiny little mad Tom. What have you seen? I'm not sure how much longer I can spend on this guy. Oh, he moved before and he just moved again his head. I don't know if he's gonna. Oh, we snapped it. We snapped it. Where we at? Where we go? Yes! That looks different than I've ever seen. Oh, am I not? Yeah, oh, There's a big darter as the mosquito's attacking my ear. This is a real big one. At least twice as big as the other one. Let's see if he wants it. Oh, he's got it, he's got it. Oh, yes, he got it! What is he? Oh, another black banded? Looks like it. Oh, gotta be kidding me. Well, thank goodness I got the other one. At least. Oh. The cricket is the ticket, man. Right, he's definitely a black banded, and I said, thank goodness I got the other one. This is actually the first time I'm looking at the other one, so I just assumed it was something different. That's definitely something I've never caught before. Well, unless it's a female speckled or something. That would be raunchy. He looks new. Let's see if I can get his fins to come out. Nope, he does not want to reveal them. Oh, they come out for set. Hold on another second. Hopefully I got enough still shots there.